So I'm in the flow right now, and if I'm actually in the owner connection section, and you can notice that um, for whatever reason, it's showing that the OneDrive for Business connection, there's a problem with it. So what we need to do is edit this. You can either go here to edit, or from the details page, if you go to the details page, you can go to edit here. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off before I make any changes. And then I'm going to go to select edit. And then what you need to do is for each one of those OneDrive actions, you need to uh, tell the flow that you want to um, update the action. So the ones that we're looking for, I think, are going to be, let's see here. Uh, so these brown ones, there's always content inside of them. I believe, okay, so yeah, I believe it's going to be in this first brown folder. And um, if document uh, one is yes, this is a gray folder that will open up with stuff in it. And then this one here will open up with stuff in it. And there are the connection issues. So what you'll do is you'll click in the middle of this blue, and it will open up this, and then you'll be able to click on this invalid connection, and it'll prompt you to basically log in again. And then once you do that, if you save, if it's having an issue saving or whatever, you can refresh the screen. But eventually, you want to get these exclamation marks to go away. Sometimes when you do one and save and refresh, it'll do all of them. Other times you have to go in and do each one individually. So there's this one in the one doc. Close that. And then you'll need to do the two docs. So you'll open that up and open this one up here and do those two. If it doesn't, you'll want to check it to make sure. And then the last one is the three doc. And I believe that for this particular connection, that's the only place that you need to do it in this flow. I don't think it's in any other folder for the rest of the thing. So then you can, once you've done that and you've saved it, you can always go back to the connections and confirm that you don't see that error message here, that exclamation mark in this. And once you do that, you should be good to go.